At the top over here, we got a case of the Tau Celebration Firecrackers. You get 3 in a case with this one. I believe it's comes to 4,582 firecrackers, and it also has a head bomb at the end. So I was kind of split between the 3-pack with the 4,582 or the 6-pack with the 2,400 and I think it's above 2,400 something. It was either that or the 6-pack or the 3-pack, so I chose the 3-pack. So definitely looking forward to seeing how these perform, and can't wait to light them off. All right, doing these Tau Celebration crackers. Here's what it looks like.
Like, I'm so sick. You owe me a $2 lighter.
There we go. Just press the button on top.
Oh, here.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay. Let's see what works.
Nice.
Well, the big one didn't go off, did it?
It did, but it's because there was all the stuff before was going off. You couldn't hear it.